हांगा खूप ऑपोजिशन आहे, खूप रावंक सत्ता खूप आनी तुमी कशें कितें पळयता?
We see when elections are coming, everyone is free to contest. No? There is no तातूंत हरकत काय ना. कोण उबे रावंक सोदतले, पक्ष येतले, इंडिपेंडंट येतले, खूब येतले. But our government, BJP government, BJP party is very much there. The people know we have done a lot of good work, good lot of development. Social scheme, everything is there in spite of this pandemic. A lot of development works have been taken in the state of Goa as well as in my constituency. So तातूंत हरकत काय ना, only because of this COVID, where the contractors have got COVID or the laborers have gone home, now they're coming back. So all the work should start in the rains. पावसान चड काम जायना न्हू. आमच्या मतदारसंघात भरपूर काम जाल्लें आसा. I got the work orders in and the work will start now after the rains. What makes आतां बाकीचें काम खूब कामां जाता आमच्या मतदारसंघात because retaining wall, widening of the road, that can be taken now, which is being done in the constituency. Departments like JIDC, PWD has to take up the further works, the repairs of the cable and also repair the maintenance, which in a short time we will resolve the matter and get it done. As the cables are burnt on 2 occasions, the fire has been put and fires either been put or the fires erupted there and the full cables have been burnt off. So twice I repaired that and now I'm trying to work out a modality where I take the cable on top so that it avoids all that damage as before.
दोघांचे म्हणणं आहे की मेंटेनन्स कांयच ना त्या ब्रिजाक म्हणटा पयलींच्यान.
मेंटेनन्स जावंक नासली पूण रिपेर्स आमी केला. म्हज्या सेकंड टेन्यूर आमी रिपेर्स करीत आसले आसा. पूण वय ताका पेंटींग बी सगळें करपाक आहा. पूण मेंटेनन्स वेरी रिक्वायर्ड हेज बीन डन टायम टू टायम. सो आतां आमी फुडें मेंटेनन्स घेतले आमी. ह्या पेंडेमिकान हे कोविडान कांयच जालें ना न्हू. इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट. सो नाव एवरीथींग आफ्टर वॅक्सिनेशन पीपल हॅव टेकन. There are movements and we'll get it done.
What about handing over bridges to PWD?
Yeah, exactly. Already JIBC is handed over to PWD. But in real terms, PWD saying give us, we'll take it as and when. But they want the process to be done, which I'm following it up on war footing to get that materialized. So that will be done immediately in a week or two. आतां पावसान चड कांय करूंक मेळचें ना न्हू. एकदां पावस गेलो मागीर आमी ऑब्वियसली ते मेंटेनन्स ऑफ रिपेर करतले.
ओके, सेकंड इशू आपका असेंब्ली